know you can turn your small piece of land into millions in profit? In Nigeria, land flipping is one of the fastest ways to build wealth in real estate, but only if you do it right. In this video, I'll be breaking down exactly how you can go into land flipping and make profit from it in Nigeria, from finding the right property to selling it to maximize your returns. If you're looking for smart ways to invest, then keep watching. Hi, my name is Maureen Ibe. I'm a real estate expert and investment advisor based in Lagos, Nigeria. I've helped individuals build their investment portfolio through real estate. What is land flipping? The simple definition is buying a piece of land for a cheaper price in a strategic location and selling it off for a higher price in a short period. So for land flipping, you don't need to, go to areas where there's no development. You have to look for areas where people are already staying in. You just buy the land and in a short period of time, you sell it for a higher price. Why is it profitable? Land in high growth area appreciates fast. And how do you find the best land to flip? Look for areas with upcoming infrastructure. I talked about strategic locations. So you're going to be looking at areas with new schools, new estates, new roads. You should target those areas. Those areas we appreciate in no time. You can also check the government master plan to ensure you're not buying an area that will be demolished in the future. Avoid land wahala. It's not a good one by verifying the document over, and if you have to do it twice, my dear, do it. Make sure your due diligence is properly done before you buy that land. Let's go to smart ways to increase the value of the land before selling it. The first thing you can do is to secure a proper documentation like a CFO or a governor's consent, and clear and fence the land to make it look attractive. Start promoting it as a prime location. You can start with the upcoming development in that area. What are some of the best strategies to sell the land? When you have done all these ceremony on your land, you make sure the documents are in check, you fence it to make it look attractive, you clear it and make sure it's looking really nice. The best strategy is to give it out to real estate agent. I would advise that you stick with a particular firm. Don't just give it out to random agents. Give it to a professional real estate expert, or you can put it out on platforms like Gigi, Property Pro, Nigerian Property Center, and some other reputable platforms to help you get buyers faster. You can also market it on social media, your Instagram, your Facebook, even your WhatsApp status and groups. If you choose, you can offer payment plans to buyers. This will ensure that people buy them faster. You can say pay the 50% initial deposit and you can spread your payment for 3 months. That way you can get buyers faster. Before I continue, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you hit that notification bell? Because we upload amazing videos every week to ensure that you make the right decision and make money through real estate in Nigeria. Let's go to how much profit can you make. So let's go to real life examples. Some areas in Lagos, like the Bedri Lekki area, Ekpe, Songotedo, these are high growth areas. And yes, if you buy a property, a land there, it's easy for you to flip it for profit quickly. So you have to look at areas where people are going there massively. There are so many projects going on. That's the area you should focus on. Typically, for land flipping, profit margin is between 50 to 200% increase in 2 to 5 years. To successfully flip land in Nigeria, remember to secure a land in the right location, secure proper documentation, use smart marketing to sell. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop your comment, and if you have any topic at all that you want me to speak on, send it, okay? I will do my research and I will definitely talk on it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.